So hey guys, hello there. Once again, welcome back to your channel Artwithshagun, and here I am back with something really interesting for all of you guys. Today I'm here with this. Okay, so these are the shoes that I created by my own, and in this video you are going to end up watching the thing, how to create it, and I hope you all will enjoy it. So without any further ado, let's start this video. Okay, so guys, let me give a few of the basic instruction that I'm going to follow up. So basically I'm going to use this cutting out of the cardboard cutting where I would be placing my shoes, and I believe not keeping my shoes on my work area because that is a really important area for me. So I'm going to keep all the things here because it's definitely going to be my project, so I have to work here on my studio itself. And I would be using few of the colors from those acrylic posts also, but if you can't get those colors, you can just do mixing up of few of the colors to get the lighter and darker shades of blue or green. So yeah, that's nothing difficult. You just have to mix to create the darker tones. You have to mix blacker ones, and to create the the lighter tone, you have to mix the white one. So now I would be showing you the complete process, how you have to do everything. I would remove all the laces and you will see all the thing in further videos. So without any further delay, let me show you that how I'm going to transform my shoes into a beautiful art piece. Okay, so guys, I won't be taking you away from the behind the scenes. So these are the colors that I'm going to use up. So I have a bit of this let me take the color name. So this color name is turquoise blue. The very first one is this turquoise blue. Then we have a bit of this, I just mixed this this Fabrica green, normal green color with a bit of white to get this shade. And then I have that pure white. There I have this camel color. The color shade is light violet. Oh, sorry for the camera angle. The color shade is light violet. So yeah, and next here we have the color shade from the camel, like this one. The color shade is ultramarine blue. So this is the Fabrica one that you are going to get. I will just provide the link for all the product that I'm using up, so that you can match up the colors also. So here we have those Persian blue, and then there we have this kind of light blue color, and here I already shared the violet one. I think the camera will be picking up them a bit darker, but they are not so yeah, these are the colors. And I'm using this kind of dagger brush. I guess I would be also using this flat brush. So yeah, let's start the process without any further delay. So here we go. Okay, so guys, till now I have ended up doing this kind of work. Still a lot of things are left, and I'm going to do a lot of more blending on the front area. And don't forget to do this area because this is going to get showed when you're wearing up your shoes. And I have to create a lot of things like stars and more things, but still I have to blend a lot of colors here. I guess we are going to go with more lighter ones and darker ones all combined together. So yeah, and now I'm going to keep the things for you people, and I hope that you all will enjoy the process. Okay, so guys, now here I am with the kind of a earthy look. So yeah, and here are the colors. I guess the color had came really cool. So yeah, and I don't know what about the like this, and I don't know what to call them because I don't know these terms of shoes. So yeah, I guess I'm going to clean them with white paint, or if I could remove them with tissue paper, I'm going to do that. So I won't be showing you that process. I would be just telling you people, if this thing happens with you, if this thing happens with you, you can also use your tissue paper. So let me meet you after I clean it up. Okay, so guys, here I have finally ended up cleaning the edges part, and I guess I won't be getting like more clear with it. Like I have read all the kind of finishing I do. So yeah, this is the shoe looking like right now, and I guess I am loving it, but still there are lots of things left to be done with it, like creating a standard thing. Now I will be creating the second shoe and I will let it dry. So yeah, now let's move to the second shoe. So guys, again I have filled all the buckets of my colors. So yeah, I'm going to use the same colors again, and here's my shoe ready with the blank canvas, I guess I must say. So yeah, now let's enjoy the process of making this shoe something really amazing. Okay, so everyone, here it is. I'm also done with the shoe. Now the colors have came really beautiful. I guess the camera won't be able to catch all the shades, but like those greens and blue are really visible for me. So yeah, and you might be able to see this area also. Now it's time to cover this white portion, and then I would be creating stars over here. So yeah, they're going to be lots of fun next. So let's see how we are going to clean it up, and now we would be creating stars in our next step. So here we go. Okay, so guys, here I am with the shoes. I guess they are looking really great. Remove the soles completely, and now it's time to create those stars that I wanted to do up. And now I would be shooting it from a right angle. I am lacking a few of the equipments right now, and I will definitely clear these things soon. So yeah, and now it's time to create the stars. So let's see how we are going to do that. Yes guys, this is how I have ended up creating stars. I'm going to go up with a bit of detailing and then show you all the things. So guys, I did end up doing all the project, and I ensure you do this on a floor because you're going to mess a lot around your table as well as around your floor. So the shoes came really good. Now I will clean everything and then show you the shoes and review it. So yeah. Okay, so guys, here I am. Now I would be showing you the shoe. So basically, like there were few of the big blobs, few of the places. So I have just like adapted with a bit of color because I don't want it to have big stars over my shoes. I don't like to have these kinds of things. But if you do like having a full galaxy feel, then you can go for those big blobs as well. So yeah, now I will be wearing up my shoes and showing you all the things. So let me wear up them and show you. So I'm so excited to do that. So let's go there. So guys, here once again I'm showing you without wearing it. So here's the final look. I haven't inserted the sole yet, and soon I will be doing it up. And guys, I hope that you all would have loved this project. Personally, I loved it a lot as well. If you will paint this of different color, if you are like quite interested in having shoes that are really different from like the other word, so you can easily go by painting this. I still don't know what to call this border or edge, whatever. You can color it according to you, but I liked it to have this white border and it's coming really cool. So yeah, this was all about this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share to our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day ahead.